All right, guys, I have a quick little bag review for you, and this is going to be on the 20-liter Incognito bags from Viking. And these bags are going to be on a 2021 Harley Sportster 1200. Real quick, I'm going to run you guys through all the things I really liked about these bags. I've had them on the bike for about 4 or 5 days. So I think that I've had enough time to kind of tell you a little bit about them. Uh, First up, I want to talk about the quality of these bags. These bags are super good quality. I love the design of these bags. Here in Alabama, it rains almost constantly, so I'm almost guaranteed to be caught up in some kind of rainstorm at some point. So these leather toppers on this bag, and then the way that they're silked over is going to prevent anything from like getting in these bags. No rain. I don't have to worry about anything getting wet. So I really like that about these so far. I believe it took me about roughly 20 minutes to install these bags. And the way that you install them, you have two options. So your first option is either way, you're going to go onto Viking's website. You're going to pick the bags. You can either look it up by your bike model, or you can type in the part number into the search bar. So once you do that, it's going to take you to the bag that you got, and then you have an option of either a PDF that's going to like have like a parts breakdown and like images and everything to assemble your bags, or you have like a option of video. I opted for the video. It made things really easy, and again, it took me I think 20 minutes to install these bags. So super user friendly, and it didn't take me any time at all to install them. So I'll break down for you guys all the ins and outs of these here in just 1 second. All right, so here's a little close up. As you can see, there's some nice metallic hardware. These are like really good quality. You got the leather on top, then you have this material down here, and then some little bit of leather at the bottom. And then here is all the mounting hardware on the inside. And I'm going to show you guys in just 1 second how to lock these. These are currently, as you can see right here, there's a little tab. So these are currently in the lock position right now. So normally if you want to release these bags, you're going to go right here and press on this. Obviously it's not moving, it's locked. And then you also have this option of this little quick release tab right here. So this, when you pull on this, is going to kind of like press on this as well. So give me 1 second and I'll show you guys how to unlock it, lock it, and go from there. All right, so in order to unlock these bags, you're gonna go in here. As you can see, you have a nice little area for some smaller storage. Sorry, I got bugs in Alabama. They are bad. Inside here, you're gonna have this little liner. And I removed it for the sake of this video, but typically there's gonna be another removable Velcro liner. It's literally just the same material as all this. But removing that on the inside of here is going to allow you access down here to unlock your bags. So hopefully you guys can see. I'll try and get a good angle. But down in here, you can see right there a little bit, that is where your key goes. So I can go reach in here, twist it. Now they're in the unlock position. Now I can go ahead and flip this over. As you can see here, that tab that was stuck in place before now moves freely, as well as this little tab that's gonna move this lever as well. So all you have to do is, I prefer to use this tab right here. Give this a pull, and you have your nice little handles, lift, and they're off. It's that easy, and you can see here the 3 little points that it mounts to. All right, so as you can see here, these are going to be the 3 little points that match up to this right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. So, and then as far as the mounting hardware goes, for like mounting the brackets onto the bike, it's literally just gonna be a bolt here and here. Again, that is why it made this super quick, easy install. And again, everything comes with the bags when you order them. I'm just gonna pop these back on real quick, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about all the pros that I really like about this bag. Bring them back on, super quick. If I can get it on there. Cool. Took me a second, but as you can see, they slide back on super easy, and I'll go ahead and lock these back onto the bike, and then I'll show you the rest of the video. All right, so now that I've ran through about how quick and easy it is to attach and detach these bags, I do want to touch on a couple key points and reasons why I do like these bags for my bike specifically. So Number one, the biggest thing that I like about these bags, aside from the way that they look, because I think they look amazing on the bike, is the fact that I am able to lock the bags to the bike. So I'm not sure if anybody else has really ran into the issue with things getting stolen off their bikes, but I know with this bike specifically, bags and luggage that I've had on here before, they've been stolen clean off the bike. So I really appreciate with these bags that they look the way that they do, and I don't have to worry about them getting stolen and taken off the bike. And also, obviously, you guys see that they're super easy to remove and they have little handles. So if I don't feel comfortable leaving them on the bike overnight or wherever I'm going, it's super easy for me to just unlock them, pop them off, and then just take them wherever I'm going, whether that be a hotel room or whatever. I don't have to worry about them either getting stolen off the bike, um, anything like that. So another thing that I do want to talk about with these specifically is the price point. So I'm looking for like budget friendly bags, and I believe right now these are priced at 295. They're on sale through Viking's website. I believe when they're not on sale, they're roughly priced at like the mid 300s, 350, 360. So for the price of these bags, I feel like it's a really, really good deal. I don't like I said, I don't have to worry about anything getting wet. They're weatherproof. They look great. So with these, I'm really happy and satisfied with the overall price point of these bags. Um, what else? I love these bags. I really do. I'm gonna show you guys a little video of like a walk around as well. But yeah, I mean, that's really it. I love that I don't have to worry about the theft. I love the way that they look. I love how easy they are to remove and reinstall. Um, they're overall just a really good bag, and I'm really satisfied with them. And I hope that other people that are looking for a bag for the Sportster, they consider this as an option because there's not a whole lot of options out there for sporties, unfortunately. But Viking does have several options other than these bags, so I definitely recommend these. Again, these are the Incognito 20-liter bags and on a 2021 Harley Sportster 1200. So with that being said, I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around of the bike and probably even take it for a little spin real quick. So thanks for watching.